Boom.
Okay.
There we go. Let me see inside the car.
You know,
Nice.
I bought this myself.
Nice. How much you paid for this?
It was about like $50K.
50K?
Yeah.
For a G-Wagon?
Yeah.
Try 200.
200?
200,000.
Yeah.
All right, jump in, big homie.
You know, I let my mom drive this, so it's like all the way up here.
He let his mom drive it. Let's check him out. Welcome home. What's good, baby?
Nah, we're gonna do a tour of the house.
Nice. Where we at?
Yeah, the castle, right?
Where we at? Where we at?
The castle.
Where?
Oh, Virginia.
Virginia. Yeah.
First, when we got here, I thought we were in Maryland, not gonna lie.
Yeah, but DMV, same, see, DC, Maryland, Virginia. Wow. All right, let's go. Let's move. You want to show them the backyard since we down here?
Backyard.
That's the backyard. This is the house. Yeah. That's the trail to walk down. Yeah, it is. Cold as hell out here. Show us the kitchen, show us all the food, Bug. Nights, boys.
We got, I don't even know what it is. The greens, the asparagus,
Nice.
potatoes,
Nice.
macaroni and cheese, crab legs.
Crab legs. Walk around. Let's see. Chef.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Chef Charles. My man, 100 grand.
And then we got another mac and cheese.
Yes, sir. Collard greens.
Steak and
Steak. Yep.
steak, stuffing, turkey, gravy, ham,
Turkey.
mashed potatoes.
Nice.
It's looking good. So, let's see how it tastes.
Happy Thanksgiving. And we got the Maya Angela suite. Carter, one of the Knights boys. Check out his view with his chandelier in front of the house. He got what he got by the bedside?
He got, man, he wildin'. He got the Takis.
That boy got the Takis with some orange juice. With this. And then another bathroom. Another bathroom. See the bathroom with the jacuzzi too.
I believe you sitting in the tub watching Big City Dream.
We got a sitting area here. How sweet is this? This is the Mark Twain room. Yeah, boo boo.
Starbucks, baby, and I think the Starbucks is here.
All right, say hi.
Hi, whoever you are.
That's Izzy Knight, one of the night girls. Yes, sir. Got the computer just in case he got to do some work. And then we got another bathroom.
I didn't do this.
Another bathroom. We got towels on the ground. We getting it popping. All right, next.
Y'all see my freeforms coming in?
Yeah, we see it. Yeah.
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 I gotta see this video.
Yeah.
Surround sound.
So you already know what it is. We got a washer, another washer and dryer
Another wash.
upstairs.
And then this is the big.
Oh, the Shakespeare suite. All right, fireplace.
Coffee place, sink, wine
Wine cooler.
wine bottles.
Yes.
Toilet, I mean,
Paper towel.
paper towel.
Yeah.
Another fireplace.
Yes, sir. Seating area. Yes, mama. Oh, they are? Okay, I'm coming in. A big pillow. Hello. Hello, pillow. Yes, sir. But the Bottega, you helping the boat? Okay.
I didn't know. Oh, look.
You like it?
Getting it popping?
Yeah.
Don't let it spill out. Another TV.
Got 3 guitars over there.
3 guitars. Look at the flowers, rainbow flowers. Sick. Nice, Izzy. Nice. Show the closet. Another balcony from the top floor. And there goes the night girl. Hey, beautiful. That's the closet.
Yeah, this is a closet, bro.
That's it. Yeah. And then we got another bathroom.
This is him, she and her. Him and
Yeah, him and she. Yeah.
No, it's-
His and hers.
yeah.
And then we got one more. We got the Virginia Wolf room. Nice. Izzy, tell us what's going on in this room with this big ass TV. God damn.
Mommy will let me watch it.
What? Damn, cartwheel. Nice. Here goes the front of the house. Oh, Dunkin' Donuts is here. Yeah.
Starbucks?
Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts. Come on, bring that down the steps, homeboy. Come on, man, let's get it. I need all of it. Good job, boy. Yeah. Yes, sir.
I think
Oh,
the
All right, we got a walk-in closet. Boom. Hold on, bug. And then we got another bathroom. It's beautiful bathroom. All right, we're going down the Swirlies. All right, let's go down the Swirly. Thank you, Papa. We got some coffee. All right, let's show you the front of the house all the way. Look how big that door is. Stand here. Hell workout every day. We can start dunking. 13 years old, about to dunk.
I mean, not consistently.
But-
you know,
but
I
we
have
getting
those
it.
moments.
Okay, okay. Let's get down this hill then. Let's get down this hill. Yes, sir.
No, I can't let y'all see my zesty walk. Come on.
Zesty walk. You gotta jog. You gotta jog down the hill.
Can't be doing that. That's a law.
Yeah.
Big old door wide open.
The door wide open. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Welcome to our Thanksgiving home.